up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Mahliyah. If you already subscribed, what's up, fam? And thank you for coming back and rocking with me for this video. I'm doing a Valentine's Day look, as y'all can see. So my last year Valentine's Day look, I feel like, was bomb AF. So I felt like, what can I do to like make another bomb look without it being like the same as the one I did last year? And this is what I came up with. So I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoy it. And if y'all do, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and check out other videos. I'll put my old Valentine's Day look from last year in my description box down below, so I can go ahead and check that one out. And let's get on with this video. So I'm going in with my Carroty palette. I'm going to use this pink color right here. So I'm going to start by packing it on the outer corner. Just packing the color on and bringing it all the way across. So now I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette. I am going to use this light pink color right here. Now this light pink color is not going to show up that much on my eyes, but it's just a base to be able to blend the hot pink together with. Now I'm going to go back into my Carroty palette, and I'm going to go back into the pink and blend it in together. Now I'm going to go in my P. Louise base. This is in the color Rumor 5. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take my big flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease. Period. So now I'm going to go into my Juvia's palette. This is the Warriors 2 palette. And I'm going to go in with this white right here. And I'm going to start by putting it in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my James Charles palette and take that light pink that I had and put it in the middle portion. And then he'll stop me at the door. Now I'm going to go back into my Carroty palette and take that hot pink and put it on the outer corner and blend, baby, blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take a really thin brush. This is my Morphe M250/1 brush. It's a super thin brush. And I'm going to take this and take some of my P. Louise concealer in 0.5, which is the whitest concealer, and thin line up there. I'm also going to make a wing liner. So now I'm going to go back into my Juicy's palette and use the white to set the concealer. By the way, I've only did it this way because I don't have white liner. So if you have white liner, it will be way easier. I am going to go in with my Triple X Lily Lashes mascara and put on some mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my primer. My primer is my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. It looks like this. And we're gonna put some of this joint on. I'm also gonna go in with some of my AOA Studio. This is the Aqua Hydrating Face Primer. Alright, now, so the foundation that I'm going to use is my Maybelline Poreless Foundation. It looks just like this. It is 355 Coconut. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the color Deep Chestnut. And I'm also going to use Deep Olive. And then he'll stop me at the door. Hold me extremely close. Whisper softly. Baby, please don't leave. Stop me at the door. Hold me extremely close. Whisper softly. Baby, please don't stop me at baby, don't leave. Oh, baby, don't leave. Whisper no. Baby, please don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is in Rich Ebony, and I'm gonna use this to contour. While I played the fool, one too many incidents and now Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a 355 coconut, and this is a pressed powder, but I'm going to go in with this and set my face. This isn't usually my setting brush, but my setting brush is dirty, so this is gonna have to do. This brush came in a James Charles palette, and I washed it, and this brush got so hard. The bristles got so like these bristles are so freaking hard, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go in my Juvia's Warriors 2 palette again, and I'm going to contour with these two browns and use these two for blush. To do my highlight, I'm going to use my Aphrodite palette by Bad Habit. This palette is so fucked up, y'all, because of my twins when they were little. Look at it. And they did it while I was at work. But I'm going to go into this color Tease. Y'all, I don't even want to hold the palette back up. I'm so scared. And I'm going to highlight with this color. I never use this palette because how you supposed to use it? Okay, y'all, so right here I decided to do a voiceover specifically because I didn't like the way this lip combo came out, and I just felt like I used way too many lipsticks just to get this. And then even after I cut the camera, I still put like a gloss on top of it, like another gloss on top of it. But if y'all want to know what this lip combo is, just let me know, and then I'll put it in the description box. But I didn't want to go through seeing what all of those was because I personally did not like it until after I turned the camera off and fixed it and added some gloss and then did my TikToks and my Snapchats and all of that. So I didn't want to make it seem like, you feel me, this lip was the same lip that was at the end, even though it's kind of similar to the end lip. But I had fixed it and added some stuff onto it, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, so let me know if y'all want to know. But besides that, that's why I just sped right over this. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out other videos that's check out other videos that's on my channel as well. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.